I am Balaji of ECE department. I am here to take the topic of types of optical fibers. Types of optical fibers. Optical fibers are classified based on three major categories: materials, number of modes, refractive index profile. This is the schematic representation of types of fibers. Optical fiber is classified into three types: material, number of modes, refractive index. Materials is further classified into two types: glass fiber, plastic fiber. Number of modes is to classified into two more types: single mode fiber, multi mode fibers. Refractive index profile is to be classified into two more, like step index fiber and grade index fiber. First, materials. Based on the materials in which the fibers are made, it is classified into two types. Glass fiber. If the fibers are made up of mixture of metal oxides and silica glasses, then it is called as glass fibers. For example, the glass fibers can be made by any one of the following combination of core and cladding. Core CiO2, cladding P2O3 CiO2, core GeO2 SiO2, cladding CiO2. Next one, mode of propagation. Based on the number of modes of propagation, fibers are classified into two types as follows: single mode fibers and multi mode fibers. Single mode fibers. Single mode fibers has a very small core diameter so that it can allow only one ray at a time and hence called as single mode fiber. The cladding diameter must be very large compared to the core diameter. This in the case of a single mode fiber, the optical loss is very much reduced. Core diameter is 5 to 10 nanometer, cladding diameter is 125 nanometer, Na is 0.08 to 0.01. This is the diagrammatic representation of single mode fiber. Then multi-mode fibers. The multi-mode fibers have very large core diameter compared to single mode fibers, so that it can allow many modes to propagate throughout it and hence called as multi-mode fibers. The structure of the multi-mode fiber is shown in the figure. The cladding diameter is also large than the diameter of the single mode fibers. The light rays entering simultaneously inside the filter travel in different modes, intersects at different points, and so will never exit simultaneously. This is called internodal diffraction. Core diameter 50 to 350 nanometer, cladding diameter 125 to 500 nanometer, Na 0.12 to 0.5. This is the diagrammatic representation of multimode fibers. These fibers are identically suited for high bandwidth up to a few gigahertz. Medium have applications. The upper limit of the mode is determined.